Hey, United Country fans, this is Emily Pond with United Country Lifestyle Properties of Maine, and I am at 68 Enfield Road in Lincoln. I'm going to show you a really cute house today. This house is a 2-bedroom with 1.5 bath. And there is the potential in there. There's a few different places that maybe you can make into like another bedroom space, but it is technically a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. It is on a 0.45 acre lot, so almost a half-acre lot, which in the town of Lincoln, that is actually a good sized lot, because a lot of the lots in Lincoln are like 1/4 of an acre or 0.18 acres. So at 0.45, it's a decent size in town lot. So here at the lot, it is 121 feet across. So you get 121 feet of road frontage, and it goes back 174 feet on that line and 157 on this line. We're going to take a look inside here in just a minute, but I did want to mention that they purchased this house 5 years ago, and when they did, they had inspections done, and they took care of anything that needed to be done on those inspections. There's a lot of upgrades on this house that have been done in the last 4 or 5 years. As I mentioned before, it is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath with this attached garage. The garage has been jacked and leveled, and they had new boards put down because the floor of the garage is boards. They had new boards put down. They had this garage door put on, so this is a brand new garage door. They did the roof 4 years ago. So we're going to go take a look inside, and we're going to go in through the garage. This is pretty cool. The camera guy just said that was like a really quiet door, and it is. It's super quiet. It's awesome. And like I mentioned, so this is all new boards here in the garage. And so right now they're moving out, so they're starting to pack stuff, and they've put a lot of it out here in the garage. And actually he uses this a lot of the time as like his work area. So they don't actually put a car in here, but you absolutely could. Here we are. This is the entryway when you come in from the garage. This would be kind of like a mudroom. They use it as a laundry room. And then this area right here is her office. And you could actually, if you wanted to, like I suggested before or mentioned before, there's a couple places where you could actually make into another maybe bedroom space. And this is another room here that you could make into a bedroom space. There's quite a bit of stuff in here right now, but if you were to take this out, you could definitely put a bed in here and a dresser. And so if you wanted to, it's another living space. As I mentioned before, there's been several upgrades to this home. They did the roof, they redid the floor in the garage, had it, leveled, new garage door. The kitchen's been remodeled. So like all new appliances, everything in here has been remodeled and upgraded, and I love this kitchen. Wanted to show you this stove. She kind of said jokingly, this is the stove you buy when you don't have kids at home anymore. But I mean, obviously, if you had children, that's fine too. But, it's a really nice stove with, the 2 ovens and everything matches. And I just love this kitchen. This would be the main bathroom, the one full bathroom in the house. And they have remodeled this bathroom too since they've purchased it. So they've remodeled the kitchen, the bathrooms, new paint everywhere. It's really nice. This home is approximately 1,040 square feet total of living space. Here we are. This is the living room area. I would say this is about 14 by 20. It's a good sized room. This has the original hardwood floors in here. The house was originally built in 1963. But like as they've upgraded like everything in here. But they did refinish, or somebody at some point refinished these floors and have kept them up. They're really nice. I did want to bring you out here and show you, this is a really nice front porch. There's no screens on it right now, but you absolutely could put screens on here. Or my thought was, there are outlets out here, so you could use this as just more living space if you wanted to. You could, if you wanted to, you could use this as more like living room space, or even throw some blinds up and you could use it as another bedroom if you wanted to. It's not heated space right now, so you would have to probably have a duct brought in under, or even actually if you just open these windows, you could use this as a heated space and increase the living space. I just wanted to point out like some of the light fixtures in here because they're really neat. They're not things that you see everywhere. They really have added some touches to this that you don't see in a lot of the homes around here. You've got these really cute fans here. And then in the living room here, we've got another one too. They're different from what you normally see. Both of the bedrooms are upstairs and the other half bath. So we're going to go run upstairs and take a look at those right now. And then we're going to come back down and I'm going to talk a little more about the home. Here we are in what would be considered the master bedroom. There's 2 closets in here, and then we've got the half bath over here. I'm going to take a minute so that you can look at this closet because this closet is huge. So it's all finished off with you've got the shelving and your place to hang everything. But like I mentioned, this is a really, really big closet. And here is the half bath. Which is also a decent sized one. And you could, if you wanted to, you could put a tub in here. I'm not sure about a shower. Maybe you could. But you could definitely put like a clawfoot tub in here. That'd be pretty neat. Here we are in the second bedroom. And I would say this bedroom is about 12 by 14. And this one also has 2 closets, like one smaller one and then one large one, just like in the other bedroom. So you've got really good closet space up here. Here we are down in the basement. And at some point in the last, I don't know how many years, an organization came in here and they weatherized the house. So there was insulation added, and they insulated these basement walls here. Now this home it's got a private well. It's got a dug well, which many of the houses along this road and some of the other roads here in town, they are not hooked into the town water. They have wells. And for the majority of them, they are dug wells. They have had this water tested. And the only thing that it showed was a little bit of bacteria. So they bleached it and it was good. Other than that, it was good. But they did also put a filter system on this. They put one of the Culligan whole home systems on it 3 or 4 years ago. So it does have a water system on it. It's got a well. But you are on town septic. I did want to mention that they get the heating system serviced every year, and this Boilermate was installed just a few years ago. A couple other upgrades that they've done is they've replaced quite a few of the windows and some of the doors. They also had 2 small decks built onto the back, so that you can sit and enjoy yourself in the summer. As I mentioned before, this is a 0.45 acre lot, which in the town of Lincoln, that is a good size lot. And there is a small shed out here on the back that we'll go take a quick look at when we go outside. Just want to give you a quick, this is the shed that I was talking about. This is going to convey with the sale. And this here is the backyard. And you can basically tell where the lines are from the trees, although it does, I believe it goes a little bit past these trees here. There should be stakes on the corners. If you like this video and you'd like to see more of our videos, please hit like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. So one more upgrade that I want to point out is that they did asphalt the driveway. So as you can see the tar right here, like in the one spot where there isn't any snow. So yeah, they tarred the driveway too. That's brand new within the last 2 years. So I'd like to mention that the hospital for this area is just down the road. It is literally like 2 minutes away. You've got the police and the fire department down this other way, and they are just a few minutes away. You've got several medical facilities here in Lincoln. You've got your, Walmart and your Walgreens and all kinds of other stores. You've got restaurants and hotels. Here in Lincoln, we are about 40 minutes from Bangor. Bangor would be the next big town. And Bangor, you've got your big box stores. You've got your Home Depot, your Lowe's, some entertainment. You've got the Waterfront Concert Series, and there's the Penobscot Theater. And then we are about 2 hours and 45 minutes from Portland, and Portland would be the next big transportation hub. And then we are about 4.5 hours from Boston. One other thing that I really want to talk about is the fact that this is also within walking distance of Mattanawcook Pond. Now, Mattanawcook Pond is 823 acres with a maximum depth of 22 feet. There's, some decent fishing in there for trout, smallmouth bass, and then you've got some pickerel and some perch, and you can put a boat in at the public boat launch and, go boating or skiing. There is a public beach down there with a park. One thing I will say about the town of Lincoln is that they do a lot for kids. A lot of times in the summer, they have clinics, they have sporting clinics, and the library here has toddler time, so you can take your kids there and they do crafts. And so there's a lot of activities for kids in this area. And as they start getting older and teenagers, there's some pretty decent sport programs here. So if they like sports, they've got sports and your band, and then, if you want, there's half an hour away, there is a theater for movies. And so you're not that far from anything here. You're really close to anything that you might want. The yearly taxes on this property are $2,695. The asking price is $179,900. So just to recap, this has private water, but public septic. It is on 0.545 acres, so almost half an acre. It has approximately 121 feet of road frontage. There's been several upgrades to the home, including the roof, new windows. The kitchen has been upgraded. The bathroom's been upgraded. The upstairs bathroom was added. And, the water system, the garage has been updated, new garage door, just all kinds of updates to this home. So I'm really hoping that you guys will come and take a look at this and love it. So thank you for joining me today at 68 Enfield Road in Lincoln. If you like this property and you'd like some more information about it, please give me a call at 207-794-4152.